All right, this is the time to visit the forest. And now that we are in Kalahandi, it's a very forested area inhabited with a lot of tribal communities. And I'm roving around Kanda tribe. Nature has blessed this place with, the water running down the hills. Time to introspect and look at these guys. Oh my god, just woke up. Alright, where am I? Kahanda is a forested area where Adivasi people live, and we are celebrating this day, a special day with our special chef Awang making us some dumplings. Now we're on our way back. It's been a whole day, a tiring day. Wow.